Hello, and this is once again a reviewer in a bathrobe, and this is a toy review. This is a Weapon X23, the purple version. I'm going to tell you a bit about her and the figure, but the character. The face sculpt I don't really care for on it, but she's the female clone of Wolverine. I'm going to just lay her down here. You get a better look at her. Unlike Wolverine, she only has 2 claws on her hands. But on her feet, she has these boot claws, I guess. And I'm imagining they would come out of her toes. Like the slit in your toe, She has a lot of articulation. She has a double elbow joint here, double knee joint here, waist joint, lower waist joint. She swivels like that. And then this part, I'm not fondling her. I put this down. Let's show you what I mean. See, this part can sort of wiggle, and then this part swivels like that. Her hair is pretty flexible. Black. There is a black version of this, which I've seen, and it is a lot better, but I just got this at a collectibles store. And what you gonna do? It was cheap, so. But I want to talk about in a later video about how Marvel's toys in their ball joint on their hips are different from DC's. But she can go like this, and then you could swivel out like that and do like a Hayala kick or whatever you want to call it, and do. Yeah, you can't really do that with a DC toy, but yeah, I don't like the look of this, because it looks more like a robot. I mean, doesn't give you a natural look. But now for a little bit about the character. Like I said, she's a clone of Wolverine. She's a lot more feral than Wolverine. That whole adamantium rage thing doesn't cut it when it comes to her. She's been featured in, she first appeared in X-Men Evolution, the animated series. Then she was also in, she started in the comics after that, and then she was also in Wolverine and the X-Men, that Nickelodeon show that they tried to do, which I'm still waiting for them to finish. Because, like, they finished it, but then they left it on a cliffhanger with Apocalypse, and but that's about all for her.